Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Amazon account permanently. So first of all, open any kind of Google browser or same process you can use in iPhone device or Android device and just type here amazon.team or amazon.com. Which country you located depend upon. So here signing firstly, signing in my Amazon account and then click here. So this is my Amazon account. I'm just go to bottom parts and here help options are available on the particular page. So I click here, again here browser help topic, so here customer service, click the customer service, and then after click the customer service, contact us. So contact us, two options are available, chat right now or have us call you. So call me, click on call me, and here several options are available like my order related device, Kindle digital content, query, and Amazon Pay Prime account, etc. So I click here. Then after manage payment option, reset password, manage Prime membership, forget first number option, tell us more about your issue. So I select here and then third number option, password or account settings. Click the password and account settings, and now in these options payment methods, close my account, email update, etc, etc, I select here close my account and then closing your account. So here options are the recommendations, less than 1 minute. Customer are calling you just after I am clicking on the phone. They are calling you and asking you why you are closing your account. You just have to say I want me to close my Amazon account. They will be close your account and totally your account is deactivated after 2 or 3 hours. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.